called me Nana, not Grandma, no way. Little arms wrapped around me that day.
From that moment
I was hers and she was mine, a bond not made by blood alone but time.
car full of giggles, no seatbelts in sight. 10 kids packed in for a movie night. Popcorn flying, chaos reigned. But oh, what joy those memories gained. We danced through the years, me and my crew, laughing, crying, seeing each other through. From butterfly farms to Japan, sky so blue. Every step, every road I walked with you. Mokopuna, you are my legacy then and now. Trees, some flew off to Aussie skies, left me with silence and teary eyes. But others stayed or found their way back to my warm old Waiata. No love did they lack. Great grandbabies now at my knee, a whole new wave of waka papa and glee. I take them one by one these days, still weaving love in softer ways. We dance through the years, me and my crew, laughing, crying, seeing each other through. From taonga waves to koha's view, my love never faded, it only grew. Mokopuna, you are my legacy then and now. So when you remember me, my darlings dear, let it be laughter and stories you hear. For I was your nana, wild, soft and true, and every piece of my heart belongs to you. Tana ho haba. So when you remember me, my darlings dear, let it be laughter and stories you hear. For I was your nana, wild, soft and true, and every piece of my heart belongs to you. A warm and joyful, a cool back phone army, laughing, crying, seeing each other through. From butterfly farms to Japan, sky so blue. Every step, every road I walked with you. Mokopuna, you are my legacy then and now. Sounds like a summer day with a whānau.